I think that's probably not true at all. I think there are a lot of dumb people that eat shit food, and vegans often do fall into that little realm there.
If Isaac was intelligent, he would say everything that contains meat and not just lie about it. This is an agenda he wants to promote, and unfortunately everyone believes him blindly. Hello everyone, I'm Christian from Vegan Vision, and you're watching a debunking of the video Isaac Butterfield posted, titled "All Vegans Are Idiots."
You see, if you eat a diet full of fast food every single day and highly processed food every single day, then that's pretty dumb. But it's also pretty dumb not to look at the facts that we have about meat. We know how nutritious it is. We know about the micro and macronutrients that is inside of a delicious piece of steak and how important that is for general human health and not just being average. We don't want to just be average here. If we want to be the best version of ourselves and you're not eating meat, you are doing yourself a disservice, without a doubt.
I try to live my life based on what is true and by listening to science. Whenever I hear someone talk about the positive things about meat, I always think, watch out, especially if you're well known and have a lot of influence. Isaac has 2.2 million followers, and naturally, when he says something without scientific proof, everyone believes him. If I were to say without proof that red meat and processed meat are carcinogenic, and fall into the same group 1 category as asbestos and smoking, no one would believe me. Even if I said that a meta-analysis of over 800 studies proven this is true, no one would believe it. If you look at red meat, eating 100 grams daily would increase the risk of colon cancer. If I said processed meat increases your risk by 18% with a daily intake of just over 50 grams, no one would believe me. It's time to stop caring who says it. Whether it's true or not doesn't matter. A meta-analysis doesn't account for anyone's opinion. It's objective. You can't ignore it if you want, but that doesn't make it any less true. People have the right to know this. So, Isaac, do you consider yourself somewhat intelligent?
I'm not overly educated. I completed high school. I went to university for a couple of weeks. I wouldn't say that I'm not educated. And as far as not intelligent, I guess that's the same as the education one. I guess I'm somewhat intelligent. I'm not extremely smart. I'm not extremely dumb. So what is wrong with me? Why aren't I vegan?
Then you should start reading up on red meat or processed meat, because this makes no sense at all. You're lying to your subscribers. Okay, enough negativity about Isaac Butterfield. I'm afraid he will never learn, but never say never. I hope this gave you more insight into red and processed meat. If you found it interesting, give a thumbs up. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I'm Christian from Vegan Vision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see each other again in the next video about Isaac Butterfield's ignorance.